How to buy Dragon token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 5 hours ago and increased by 6,000% in the last 24 hours. This token also trending number 1 right now in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is as simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds and wallet. For that, I will just try to log into my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, just click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this also can click on it and here type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap and you will be able after that to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a Dragon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in this video.